So we started this just over 12 months ago. What are you laughing at? What's so funny?
Sorry, it's just...
So, I know it's awful, isn't it? You're not helping now. Right, we started the S15 build just over 12 months ago, and when we had the idea, myself and Higgo, the aim was to reach 1,000 subscribers, and we actually reached that sort of a month or so ago. And yeah, late as ever, we said we'd do sort of a video, just a highlights video showing sort of what we did in the 12-18 months that we'd sort of planned what we were going to do with the car. And you know, we're still not finished. We're nearly there, we're really close, but you know, we've had a pretty crazy year with everything that's gone on, and finishing first in RDC, second in BDC Pro. You know, we're pretty happy with what we've done, and you know, all our sponsors as well standing by us in this time. You know, we've just had a crazy good year, really, in sort of retrospect now. So, and I just want to say thanks to the that have helped me this year as well, which is Chris KD, Scott Rogers, Phil the wiring guy, Loz came to around, Gaz came to around, you know, my brother, my mum even came. She was spotting, but she was useless. So yeah, you know, just thanks to all them guys. And you know, I'd have been absolutely screwed without their help. Oh, and Old Spice as well. Old Spice was there all the time, lurking somewhere. So yeah, we've actually had a really good year, and I'd like to say thanks to Dan Martin for doing all my pictures, which were crazy good. And Mike, as always, doing all the videos and all the editing for the YouTube. You can probably guess the ones that I do because they're awful. But yeah, Mike does everything. And if it wasn't for Mike, I wouldn't be doing this right now. So this is your fault. You cost me a fortune. But we're making money now on YouTube. How much we made? Tenner. So with all the videos and stuff we've done, we're gonna go and buy 20 chicken nuggets, another 20 chicken nuggets because Higgo's a fat and a cheeseburger, and that's it. That's everything that we've done this year. So yeah, thanks to everyone that subscribed and followed my Insta, and just pretty much the more abuse you give me on this, the better. And that's all I've got to say. And now we're gonna do something, other show reel. We're going to do a highlight reel of the year, some of the funny bits, or the best bits, or whatever, and then we'll do something at the end, which we probably shouldn't do, but it's not like it's quiet outside, is it? Let's go. This is what we're building now.
Just leave it, because you're just embarrassing yourself.
And it kind of ties in well with a drop that we've just had from Driftworks. We've had full set of suspension, new camber toe tension rods. Well, this is a bit of a game changer. We were lucky enough to get contacted by 6 Boost. Me and B.T, we're not driving together today. That one is, don't crash it. Not like you to get lost. To give us a time of this, you know. I don't really know what that was. He's like a new one. I don't know. Final point!
You packing up early, son?
Black flag. That's not right. That's too f***ing close.
Next time, keep it.
I'm gonna get you.
I make it up as I go along.
It feels alright, but you just don't check earths.
Yeah. You're a little bit more inspired.
So I can't hear you. Can't show you too much in here. It's all the secrets, isn't it? Or what secrets?